Imagine that you can secure a flow of free leads to your freelance or agency business on Upwork. Wouldn't it be perfect if new leads kept coming with literally zero effort from you? That's exactly how Upwork invites work. I'm getting about 60 of them every 90 days. It's about more than just getting a lot of clients for my agency. It's about the financial success that comes with it. Today, I'm earning about $7,000 a month on Upwork alone, and you can too. So today, I will guide you on how you can do the same. It's a simple set of steps that you need to take. I will guide you through each one, making it easy and straightforward. But before we start, I'm Anton. The sole purpose of this channel is to show you in real time how I earned my first $1 million on Upwork and help you do the same. Alright, let's dive into the secrets of getting this magic Upwork invites. So how does this magic happen? When someone wants to find a good contractor, they go to the Upwork talent search bar and pick the best candidates. Once they see a profile of a freelancer who looks like a great fit, they click on the Invite to Job button. A lot of big clients work through invites only. A reasonable question arises: what should you do to make potential clients choose you more often? So naturally, if the client doesn't set any filters, the Upwork algorithm shows a random pool of talents on the first page, from the cheapest to more expensive, guys with some serious work history and absolute noobs. You can understand the logic of the Upwork algorithm. Without filters, it can't get what is the client's budget and requirements. Since I want to receive invitations for the best possible jobs on Upwork, I'm setting the highest criteria for talent search. Top rated plus and top rated badges, job success score 90% and up, earned amount 10k plus, 1000 hours billed, English level at least fluent. So I suggest you spend some time here examining the profiles of the talents you are competing with. Can you come up with a reason why a client should choose you over these guys? Write down the ideas of how you want to differentiate. But now, let's get down to the practical steps. It's clear that you need to achieve all of these requirements. Some of them have more significant weight than others. I noticed that after I got the top-rated plus badge, I started getting 2-3x more invites. It's crucial to keep GSS close to 100%. Always seek to get positive feedback. I'm not tired of repeating it. In your first year on Upwork, you should be known as a feedback hunter. Even now, after a couple of edited videos, I ask clients to end the contract, leave me feedback, and migrate to a new one on the same terms. Alright, once you achieve this metric, your account becomes visible to potential clients. But don't expect clients to spread invites evenly among top accounts. Again, let me remind you that the client is looking for the best possible candidate capable of managing his tasks. So the next step is to adjust your profile to showcase your laser-focused specialization. Let's start with a sharp title. My example: YouTube video production. A video editor with motion design skills. The narrower you describe your competence, the higher your chances of getting the job. Try to come up with something recognizable and unique. The next step is to make an introduction video. If you check your competitors' accounts, you will notice that all top freelancers have an introduction video. This is an easy step to increase the conversion rate of your Upwork account. A good intro video is the best way to stand out among faceless competitors and showcase your confidence, communication skills, and level of English. What else? Turn on the badge available now. By turning it on, you signal to potential clients that you are ready to take on more jobs. It's not free though. You must pay 1 connect per day or $4.50 per month. It's worth it. Potential client will also see about the first 200 characters of your description, so it's essential to start with something valuable and unique. After the client clicks on your profile, he will see the full description, portfolio, certificates, feedback, and everything else. I have episodes on this channel on setting up the Upwork profile and making an introduction video, so I invite those of you who want to dive deep into these topics to watch them. But for now, my goal is to help you better understand the customer journey of sending an invite, so you can adjust your profile to match their expectations. But don't expect it to be easy. It wasn't easy for me, and it would probably be a hard challenge for you too. Earning the first $10,000, getting the top-rated Plus badge, and assembling an impressive portfolio would require a tremendous amount of time and energy. It took me about a year to start getting these results. I don't want you to make the same mistake, so I believe that you can do it even faster with my guidance. Alright, that's all from me for now. In the comments let me know how many Upwork invites or direct messages you are getting from clients every month. I hope this video will help you get more clients on Upwork. Follow me for more content like this. Now you can go and watch the episode in which I shared my wins and losses from my first year on Upwork.